Welcome Network Bears again. I am Sabir. Today I show up amazing video tutorials for you. And this video I show up how can you call anyone without showing your number and free calls. First open Play Store and search PRIMO and install, and it's 29 MB. After install, open your apps and sign in you by G+, Facebook, or manually sign up. I choose G+. Now if you import your contact list, you reward 10 minutes. I already reward. Now we can anywhere you want call freely 10 minutes, and this is really very good for you. I think you like this. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and stay with us. Thanks seeing my video.